Alright, welcome to Enhancement 5. To begin, we are going to show that both category and add product views are valid CSS and HTML. So, CSS, check. HTML, also check. Let's look at the new product. We have, once again, CSS, check, which isn't surprising given that it's the same CSS. HTML, however, we have something different. Loading, and we are good. Awesome. Alright, next step, show that both client-side and server-side validations are working. Kind of hard to show on the category page, but let's start with the product page. Let's do random test name, random test description, leave some of these blank, except for this one, which will have an E because for some reason number fields can have an E. Look at that, it's grumpy. So server-side validation is set up. Cool. And I'm lazy, so I'm not going to prove all of them, but I will hope that you can trust me. Add it after no validate, and as we can see, it's grumpy because we didn't finish filling these out. That lets us know that our client-side validation is functional as well as sticky, which is interestingly enough not shown there. But it's sticky, check that out. Look, we're sticky. We like sticky. Let's go ahead and go back. Category, server-side, and client-side. Can't really prove that it's functional beyond being a string because that's all the validation we really have for it. Just right here, making sure it's indeed just a string. So can't really prove anything there. And proceed to publish, zip, and submit. Alright, cool. So that's the video. Here's the code. Look, it looks like code. Lots of words. Yeah, I did it. I actually did stuff. Good job, me. Thanks.